And today I'm going to show you how to host a WordPress blog or a website by registering a domain on Hostinger. Um, you can host a website for free, but before we host a website, we're going to register a domain on .net, .store or .com. We are going to search our needed domain according to our usage. So firstly, I've decided to host a domain on a development site. So I'm gonna host a website to blog on different codings on PHP, Ajax or jQuery. So for that, I have chosen developer. So I'm gonna navigate the domain called hostinger.in and I'm gonna search with my desired domain name ProBlogger Developer, Pro Developer. So I got many domain options with .com, .in suggestions, but let's get into some interesting extensions like .website, .space. Oh yeah, my desired domain name is available here, so I'm gonna add this to the cart. Alright, I'm going to click on view cart and checkout. We can register any type of domain names on Hostinger with reasonable rates, so they are going to give many discounts, preferably on time to time. So I'm going to register a domain called prodeveloper.net, and I'll show you later on how to host this domain for free on Hostinger. Just give me a couple of minutes before I purchase this. Just click on this checkout now and log in with your details. I'm gonna continue with my Facebook login credentials. Alright, we got into the payment gateway. So how you gonna pay your amount here? So it's up to you. You can use any net bankings, PayPal, your credit cards. I prefer the credit card method, which is very simple to use. Alright, I have successfully purchased my desired domain name prodeveloper.net. I'm going to give my company name in all. Alright, so we have successfully registered the domain name using Hostinger. My desired domain name is prodeveloper.net, and I'm going to show you how to host this domain. So here ends our task on buying the domain name from Hostinger. So next I'm going to show you how to host your domain for free on Hostinger free hosting environment, which is nothing but www.webhost.com. So before I get into the domain hosting part, I'm going to tell you about a few important parts of Hostinger domain registration. So Hostinger is going to give you a 30-day money-back guarantee on registering the domain names. Alright, so once after register a domain, we are going to manage a few things on the name servers. So we are going to give name server 1 and name server 2 from www.webhost in order to redirect the servers from Hostinger to www.webhost. So firstly, I'm going to sign up for www.webhost.com with Facebook as of now, with the same Facebook account. I'm going to continue with my Facebook account details. So once after you log in to your www.webhost.com, you'll be getting this login page. This is the landing page once after you log in. So you're gonna confirm your email link in order to get fully access of this hosting provider link. So if you click on this, it will redirect you to name your website. So firstly, you can give your website name, or else you can leave it optional. www.webhost.com is going to give you the website name. So for now, I'm going to leave it as blank. I'm going to give my password and click on this create part. Just wait a 3 to 4 seconds, and this is going to redirect you to all the options. So these are the different options I'm going to get. We can build a website using pre-installed themes. We can set a web address, which we have already bought from hostinger.com, and we can use file manager in order to upload the files. So this is going to be our server to manage all of our files, to upload, to host our account. So this is going to be our database, and this is going to be our emails channel. So in order to create the different email accounts and work on those, to check those. So these are the different other settings to look into the statistics, security part, and the redirections, page redirections, etc. So we'll be having a backup option as well in this hosting account. So firstly, I'm going to click on this set web address. So it is going to give you an advertisement pop-up. You can ignore this. So you'll be redirected to a couple of options, like would you like to host your own domain, or would you like to buy the domain now? So you have already bought a domain from Hostinger, so you're not required to click on this option now. So all the thing you have to do is click on this use domain, add your domain name. Firstly, I'm going to park this domain now. It says the domain is already in use. I have already added this domain earlier. So this domain was already added into the account. So all the thing I have to do is I have to recheck the name servers. Is copy these name servers and paste it here. What I'm doing is I'm changing the name servers from Hostinger to OOO web host in order to redirect my actual domain to this free web hosting. So we can leave the other two server names as blank and click on this update button. So this cPanel is nothing but the Hostinger panel of our own account, which we have already created and bought our domain. So we have successfully updated our name servers. Next, we are going to refresh our name servers here. If possible, refresh your web page again. That's great. Our name servers got updated successfully. So once after we add our name servers to the hosting provider, we are going to link this website. Use this domain name. So if you have any subdomains, you can give the subdomain, otherwise leave it as blank. Click on this connect. So we have build website option here. Click on this. So after we click on build website, we'll get three different options. Firstly, we can use the pre-installed, pre-defined themes on OOOwebhost.com. We can install WordPress website. We can upload our own website. So as we thought of installing the WordPress website, just click on this install now. So give your admin names. You can change it anyways. URL should be www.yourdomain.net. So after all filling on these fields, just click on this install button. Just give to the hosting provider a couple of minutes. This is going to install your WordPress site now. You can always look the best part of www.webhost.com in many website reviews. So this is going to give you a 99% of uptime, and this is absolutely free. So congratulations, it's ready. Your WordPress website is ready now, and you're going to click on this configuration page just to finish our final setup. That's really great. Our WordPress admin panel is ready now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my admin name here. I'm going to give my password. That's it. I'm going to enter into my WordPress dashboard. This is really cool, and absolutely I have hosted my website here. So this is how you're going to host your website for free on www.webhost.com. So finally, I'm done hosting my prodeveloper.net on free domain hosting provider, which is webhost. So now I'm going to check whether my website works on WordPress or not. So let me navigate my domain directly, that is prodeveloper.net, and it is going to redirect me. Let me check one of my posts, which would be preferable to check whether the domain got hosted correctly or not. So for the first time, you better navigate your created post to check whether the post, whether the domain got hosted or not. So here I can see that my domain got hosted successfully on WordPress. So this is the initial theme wherein WordPress has used, and this is going to be my username, and I can manage my dashboard at any time, and I can add my posts. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, and do comment your opinion on this free hosting. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to configure your WordPress admin panel and write your first post. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel.